Students, today we will study rest question of exercise 7D of R.S. Agrawal class 8th. Here, some different questions are given. As example, first question is given p square minus 4p minus 77. As I have told you in previous video, that first stage of this question is multiplication of first and third term. So minus 77 will multiply with p square, so it is getting minus 77 p square. So we have to find out a number whose subtraction will be 4p and their multiplication will be 11p. How I am knowing about that? We have to subtract, because first and third term multiple is coming in negative term. So we have to know that the numbers will be 1 plus and 1 minus, means we have to do the subtraction to get the middle term. So middle term will split into 11 into 7 minus 11 into 7p. So it became 77p square minus 77p square. It became multiplication, and addition of minus 11p plus 7p is equal to minus 4p. So minus 4p will split in form of minus 11p plus 7p. So it has divided into two groups. First group p square minus 11p and 7p minus 77. From first group it has taken p as common, so it remained in the bracket p minus 11. And in second group 7 taken as common plus 7 taken as a common, so plus 7 taken as common, then it will remain p minus 11. And here we can say that p minus 11 is common in both group, so we will take it out. What remain? P plus 7. By mistake I have written minus 7, so you have to improve it. You will write p plus 7. Next question, it has given x square minus 11x minus 42. So first and third term will multiply. Its multiplication will come minus 42x square. Minus is coming, we have to remember. Then second term will split in form of subtraction. So we have to find out the number whose subtraction becomes 11 and multiplication will be 42x square. So for that sake we have to learn the table. In whose table 7 comes? In firstly it comes in the table of 2, but 21 2s are 42. It is not possible. So we have to take a number which is greater than 11, and that is factor of also 42. So more than 11. So first number is 14. 14 3s are 42. So we have taken minus 14x plus 3x is equal to minus 42x square. And addition of minus 14x and 3x is coming minus 11x. So minus 11x will break into the form of minus 14x plus 3x. Now it has divided into two groups. So x square minus 14x. So x is taken common in the first group, it remained x minus 14. Now in the second group 3 is taken as a common plus 3, so it remained x minus 14. From both groups x minus 14 is common, so we will take it out and remained x and plus 3. So in second bracket we will write x plus 3. We have to go on the next question. It has given x square minus 5x minus 24. So first and third term multiplication will be minus 24x square. Again we can say that the middle term will break into two numbers whose subtraction will be 5x, but their multiplication will be minus 24x square. So we have to, as I have told you, we have to think a number more than of the middle term. whenever we have to do the subtraction, जब हमको subtraction करना हो तो जो मिडिल टर्म का नंबर हो उससे बड़ा नंबर सोचते हैं कि जो इस फर्स्ट और थर्ड टर्म का के न्यूमरल का फैक्टर हो सकता है। तो 24 का फैक्टर क्या होता है? 5 से बड़ा 6, 6 4 जा 24, 6 में से 4 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे नहीं जाएगा। फिर 7, 7 इसका फैक्टर ही नहीं है। 8 इज अ फैक्टर, 8 3 जा 24, सो 8 will subtract 3 to get the 5 and 8 3 जा 24, so -8 and 3x are the factor. So it has divided into two groups, x square minus 8x and 3x minus 24. From the first group it has taken common x, so it remained x minus 8, and from second group it has taken common 3, so it remained x minus 8. Listen, यहाँ एक चीज़ हमको देखने को मिलेगी कि दो टर्म दोनों ग्रुप में एक टर्म जो है वो कॉमन आएगा, एक एक्सप्रेशन कॉमन आएगा, नहीं तो हम उसको कॉमन रखेंगे कैसे? So we have to take x minus 8 as a common and then remained x plus 3. Next question 26. Question number 26, y square minus 6y minus 135. अब हमको ऐसा ब्रेक करना है कि 135 फर्स्ट टर्म और थर्ड टर्म का मल्टीपल अगर करें तो यह आएगा 130 माइनस 135 वाई स्क्वायर। अब हमको ऐसा ब्रेक करना है कि 6y उसके सब्ट्रैक्शन पर आए और जब हम उसको मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमारा 135 आ जाए। तो 6 से एबव नंबर हम चेक करते हैं। इज इट डिविजिबल बाई 7? नो। 8? नो। बाई 9? yes, it is divisible by 9. So 9 15s are 135. So we will take two terms, minus 15y plus 9y. Then it will be minus 6y and their multiplication will be minus 135y square. So it has divided into two groups. As I am going to underline, y square taken from the first group, so it remained y minus 15. As I have told you in previous question that in second term we have to take a term common who will give after it that same term will come as first group. So 9 taken as common, so it remained y minus 15. Y minus 15 is taken common, so what remained? Y plus 9. Y plus 9 is remained. Next question 28. X square minus 4x minus 12. First and third term. So minus 12x square and we have to get 4x but through subtraction where one term will be greater and second will be larger. So as you know that 12 comes in the table of 6. 6 2s are 12. So we will take two terms, minus 6x plus 2x. So it has divided into two groups, x square minus 6x and 2x minus 12. X is taken from the first group, so it remained x minus 6. 2 is taken from the second group, so it remained x minus 6. X minus 6 is common in both groups, so we will write it outside. Now remained x and plus 2, so we will put in the second bracket x plus 2. Next question, question number 30. It is different. Here this question is different because till now we have studied only third term was numeral, and here in the first term also given the one numeral, so we have to multiply. 8 3s are 24. 24x square is coming, so it is positive number, so it means second term will break into the form of addition, whose addition will be 14y square and their multiplication will be 24y. So think a number in which 24 comes less than 14. So first number is 12. 12 2s are 24 and 12 and 2 become 14. So 14y broke into 12y plus 2y. So it has divided into two groups. 3y square plus 12y first group and second group 2y plus 8. So from first group it has taken 3y common. Now until we have seen in the previous questions only variables was common in the first term. Now first time we are taking variable and also the number is common, also the numeral is common. So 3y is taken as a common, so it remained y plus 4. And second term it has taken 2 plus 2, so it remained y plus 4. Y plus 4 is common in both terms, so we will write it and remained 3y plus 2 we will write in the second bracket. Next question 31. It has given 3z square minus 10z plus 8. So we have to multiply first and third term. It became 8 3s are 24x z square. Now again it came same as previous 24 in the previous also and the now again 24. So we have to break a number, we have to break middle term means minus 10z in form of addition, means both number will have minus sign in which they will break. Their addition will be 10 but multiplication will be 24. So find the number. 24 comes in table of 8. 8 3s are 24. So addition of 8 and 3 will not be 10. So go less. Now 6 4s are 24. It means 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So we have to take minus 6z and minus 4z, whose multiplication will be 24z square and addition will be minus 10z. So 3z square minus 6z minus 4z plus 8. Now divide into two groups. 3z square minus 6z, and here second group minus 4z plus 8. Now we will take common from the first term. First group 3z taken common, so it remained z minus 2, and from second group it has taken minus 4, it remained z minus 2, and z minus 2 is common in the both groups, so we will take it out. So remained here 3z minus 4. Now you have realized one thing, that whenever the last term being plus and middle term is being minus, then both answers are coming minus. But whenever last term is minus and middle term is plus or minus, in both condition the answer is coming, one bracket is positive and one bracket is negative. So we have to go on the next. You have to remember all these type of things. Now 2x square plus x minus 45. Now 45 will multiplied with 2x square, so it is getting minus 90x. We have to find a number in which 90 comes but their subtraction will be 1. So it is very much easy. 10 9s are 90 and 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. So I have taken 10x minus 9x, whose subtraction will come x and whose multiplication will come minus 90x. So x is broken in the form of 10x minus 9x. So it has divided into two groups, 2x square plus 10x, and in second group 9x minus 9x minus 45. So from first group it has taken common 2x, so it remained x plus 5. From the second group it has taken minus 9 as a common, so it remained x plus 5. Now x plus 5 is common in both group, so it will take in one group x plus 5. Now what remain? 2x plus 9. By mistake I have written x plus 9, so you will improve it. You will write 2x minus 9. Next question 33. It has given 6p square plus 11p minus 10. Same procedure, first and third term multiplication, it is coming minus 60p square, and 11p we have to break. So it is very much easy. Go to the next 11. After 11, 12 is the number which can divide 60. 12 5s are 60. So 12 minus 5, it is not coming 11. Now by 13 it can't divide, 14 it can't divide, by 15 it is divisible. So 15 4s are 60, and 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. So I have underlined whatever I was saying. So 11p will break into form of 15p minus 4p. So it has divided into two groups as I am underlining. So from first group it has taken common 3p. So it remained 2p plus 5. And from second group it has taken common minus 2. It remained again 2p plus 5. Now 2p plus 5 is common, so we will take it out and remained 3p minus 2. So in the second bracket we will write 3p minus 2. Next, question number 36. I left some questions for you. Whenever you will solve some questions by own self, then you can easily understand these type of questions. 28 minus 31x minus 5x square. Till now we have studied the expressions in which x square, either the square form of numbers are given in starting, but here it has given in last. That's not a matter, we have to continue the same procedure. 28 is multiplying with 5, it is getting 140x square. Now we have to bring 31x, but by subtraction, and the multiplication should be there 140. So 35 4 ja 140, and 35x will subtract 4x, then it will get 31x. So 31x will split into the form of 4x minus 35x. So it has divided into two groups, 28 plus 4x and minus 35x minus 5x square. So we have to take common 28 and 4. 4 is common. So 4 7 ja 28 and 4 1 ja 4. It remained 7 plus x. And from second group it has taken minus 5x. So minus divided minus, 5 7 ja 35x. X divided x. So 7 is remain, and now 5x divided 5x square, then it remained only x. Now 7 plus x is common both sides, so we will take it out and remained 4 minus 5x. In the second bracket we will write 4 minus 5x. कुछ जगहों पर ये भी लिखा होगा कि 7 plus x की जगह x plus 7. It's not a matter, either you will add 1 plus 2, either you will add 2 plus 1. Answer will remain 3. Next question, 6x square minus 5x minus 6. Same pattern, first third, then minus 36 and minus 5 is coming. So 9 4 ja 36. So minus 9x plus 4x. Divided into two groups as I am underlining. Now from the first group it has taken common 3x and remained in the bracket, first bracket, 2x minus 3. From the second group it has taken 2 common. Now in the second bracket it remained 2x minus 3. Here 2x minus 3 is common, so it will take as a common. Now it remained 3x and plus 2. In the second bracket we will write 3x plus 2. Next, it has given 3m square plus 24m plus 36. So same pattern, first and third term. 36 multiplied with 3, it is getting 108m square. We have to break 24 into form of 108 m square. So we have found two numbers whose multiplication will be 108 m square and addition will be 24 m. 18 multiplied with 6, it is coming 108 m square, and 18 plus 6 is equal to 24 m. So it will break 3 m square plus 18 m plus 6 m plus 36. Here we have to divide into two groups, 3 m square plus 18 m, this is the first group, and plus 6 m plus 36 is the second group. So from first group it has taken common 3m, so remain m plus 6, and from second group it has taken common 6, so it remained m plus 6. So m plus 6 is common, we will take it out. In the second bracket we will write 3m plus 6, and this is the last question of this exercise which we are going to study. 7x square minus 19x minus 6. 7 is multiplying with 6, it is getting minus 42x square. Now we have to break 19x into the form of subtraction whose subtraction will 19x, but their multiplication will be 42x square. So it has taken minus 21x and 2x, minus 21x plus 2x, whose addition will be minus 19x and their multiplication will be minus 42x square. Now it has divided into two groups. So from first group it has taken 7x as common, so it remained x minus 3, and from second group it has taken 2, so x minus 3 is again remained. So x minus 3 is taken common, so remained 7x and plus 2. So we will write in the second bracket, and now our chapter is complete. For getting these type of videos you have to subscribe either and like this video and also share with your friends to spread this knowledge.